Hello and welcome to Sociological PESTLE Analysis Template. This tool mainly lets you list the macro-environmental factors that may have a direct or indirect impact on an organization's performance. PESTLE stands for political, economic, sociological, technological, legal and environmental. The only thing that you have to do is input your data or opinion into the cell. For example, we can say must follow FDA rules. If you would like to delete something from the list, click on the cell, delete it, copy the cells, and then paste it as values, and then delete the last row that you already copied in here. If you think that your opinions are going to exceed 10, please press plus sign to get additional rows. You can also customize the instruction box according to your preferences. These are the questions that we prepared for you. The template is already set to print the necessary parts of the analysis. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check our other templates at www.somica.net.